This is our unboxing of our 33 series 3 gallon per minute water pressure diaphragm pump. As with all Seaflo water pumps, comes with our mission statement, warranty card to register your pump, explanation of the warranty, and then the manual for the pump. This pump comes with two 1/2 inch barbed fittings, a 50 mesh inline strainer, which we absolutely recommend using. You could capture all the debris that will potentially come through that could clog the pump. In order to clean it, just twist the cover off, clean that out, put it back on. Again, this goes on the inlet side. And then we have the pump. So just to quickly show you how to set up the fittings onto the inlet and outlet. Now, as I mentioned before, all of our pumps do have arrows on them to point you in the direction of flow. So you obviously want the strainer on the inlet side. And the way to tell the direction of flow is right there. You could see it imprinted. There's an arrow pointing in that direction. So that means the inlet side is this way. So we take the 50 mesh strainer, screw it right on. I like to keep the basket on the bottom. Throw the 1/2 inch barbed fitting, and then the other one on the other side. This pump is 12 volts. It's 3 gallon per minute. It draws about 5 amps while running. So it has a little bit more flow than the 21 series, but it is definitely what is most prominently used in the RV industry. It is also used in the marine industry. Seaflo supplies about 80% of all new RVs made every year. Out of those 80% of RVs made, all of them have this 3 gallon per minute 33 series pump. So chances are, if you're buying any RV out there, it'll have this stock pump. 3 gallons per minute is a good size. It could supply multiple fixtures. This goes for both boat and RV. So if you have a vessel or an RV with multiple faucets, a dishwasher, shower, outside shower, this will be a good pump for that. Chances are you're not running all of those faucets at once. Maybe 1 or 2 at a time, 3 at a time. This pump could absolutely handle that. It's 3 gallons per minute, has a 3-chamber diaphragm. Also has that pressure switch adjustment, so it comes preset at 45 PSI, but you can increase it by using a 2mm Allen key, turning it clockwise up 15 PSI, so to about 60, or decrease it down to about 30 PSI. This pump is a great pump for both fresh and saltwater applications, so you could use it for a washdown. It works fine with salt water, and you can also use it for your freshwater system. It's powerful, very cost effective. This pump is only $59.99 retail, has an industry-leading 4-year warranty. Again, you could fix a lot of the issues you may have by just turning that pressure switch, or you could do the same thing that I mentioned on the 21 series. By disconnecting these 2 red lead wires, connecting them together, you'll be bypassing the pressure switch. If the motor runs, you just need a new switch or you need to adjust it. If it does not run, then the motor is shot. If you guys have any questions, feel free to visit us at seaflodirect.com. But yeah, we're very happy with what we've done with this pump. It's definitely our top selling pump, and we're happy that the RV industry has really taken it on and continues to use it for the last, I would say, 7 years in about 80% of all RVs. Thanks.